All right, so today I'm going to be showing you how I make over $1,000 per hour using ChatGPT. Now, the very first thing you need to know is my name's Darius. I'm the owner and founder of Dapper Official LLC, and I already made a video on how I'm using ChatGPT to make me money. And just go watch that video. A little quick rundown is I am leveraging the platform Fiverr to fulfill services using ChatGPT. Now, I already showed you how I did all that shit if you want to do the same thing. So really, we're just going to jump right into my computer and so I can show you exactly how I make over $1,000 per hour, bro. All right, boom. So we're on the computer now, and this is the very first order. So I posted all my listings, and the very next day, I already got an order. And I have no experience with Fiverr. I mean, I do because I was buying shit before, but as a seller, never sold anything, never had any service on there. So I'm gonna show you exactly what happened. This guy, he messaged me saying that he wants a short script for one of his YouTube channels. It seems like a YouTube short kind of script. He said he wanted between 100 and 130 words and something like that. I charged $5 for it. So the biggest thing was he said he wanted it very short, and my smallest package was 250 words. He only wants about 100, 130 words. So a deal that we made because he wanted it expedited. I said, all right, I'm going to give you this within 10 minutes. I'm going to write you this script within 10 minutes, and for $5 with 2 revisions, whatnot. So boom, I cooked it up. I threw it in Chat GPT exactly what he wanted, and I'll show you real quick. I mean, you can read it if you like to, but this is what Chat GPT spit out for me, and it came out to be 126 words. If you read through this, it's actually a really good article. It's about Kyrie Irving, whatever. So the thing was, he wanted this shit in 10 minutes. ChatGPT made this shit for me in about 10 seconds. So what I had to do was I was sitting there waiting for the clock to go, just so it didn't seem too sus. Because if I wrote this shit in the same minute and he's like, all right, bro, how do you do that? You know what I mean? So I waited a couple minutes, then I sent it over to him. And when I sent it over to him, bro, in the messages, he was like, bro, this is perfect. Dude, I don't know how you did this so fast. This is great. I love it, type shit. He left me a 5-star review. And I mean, that's the very first review I have on my Fiverr account now. So, which is perfect. But now I'm going to show you the proof and the numbers on how I make over $1,000 per hour because of this. And this was the very first order. So, in order to prove that, I'm going to go over here to Paint real quick. And so the order, it was only $5, right? But it was my very first order. So, here's going to be the math. And just to prove that this math is right, I was a physics major in college, so I'm good with numbers. Whoop de whoop. So boom, I made $5 in 10 fucking seconds. And why? And the S stands for seconds, dollar sign is for dollars, because I'm American, whatever. So boom, now we have to convert this over to dollars per hour. You know what I mean? So boom, if I'm making $5 in 10 seconds, and I chose 10 seconds because that's how long it took for ChatGPT to make me this script, bro. Like literally 10 seconds. 10 seconds. I sent it off. He loved it. Now he's a reoccurring customer already, bro. This is my first day, dude. I'm so hyped. Honestly. All right, boom. So 10 seconds. And now we need to get this over $2 per hour. So we gotta put 60 seconds. And you just follow along. You'll see what I'm doing. And then the M is for minutes because there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. And now we got to get this over to hours so that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. HR is hours, dog. Please don't be dumb. All right. And that's all we need because we need hour by dollar sign. And so the great thing about this reason I set this up, because the seconds will cross out, the minutes will cross out, and we're left with the hours over dollars. So, or I'm sorry, dollars over hours. So we have dollars on the top, we have hours on the bottom, and on the top, now we have to multiply the 5 by 60 by 60. I'll show you what I'm doing real quick. 60 times 60 over 10. Because then we multiply the whole top, we multiply the whole bottom, and since the units cross out, the only units we're left for are dollars per hour, which comes out to, 18. It's kind of tough to do with a mouse, but is $18,000 over 10 hours, but obviously that's not what we're looking for. So we're just going to take away the zeros, and the answer comes out to $1,800 per hour. Boom. You can proofread all my shit. But this is just the power of fucking ChatGPT because the amount of time that it took to generate this money is perfect. Now just imagine I'm doing this every 10 seconds. Imagine if I hire out a team or whatever, because now I'm making $1,800 per hour. You know what that is? It's almost a million a year. So boom, I'm just hyped because this is my very second day using Fiverr. I already have other people hitting me up to fulfill more services. Some dude hit me up for an essay. Another dude hit me up for like another financial literacy script. But this is the very first Fiverr service that I fulfilled using Chat GPT, and it's the day after I made that other video about like what I'm going to be doing. So this is very hype for the year of 2023, and this is my update video showing you guys that you can really make over $1,000 per hour using Chat GPT, which does all the fucking work for you. So, bro, if you want to make some money, follow me. I mean, subscribe, like my shit, bro. I'm in the field. I'm making this bread, and let's get a bag. I'm out.